Hello everyone. Today we'll be doing the sound test between our SONOS Move and our SONOS One. We'll be checking which sounds better of the two speakers, and I'll be playing the song which I've played regularly, so some of you who have been following me for some time might actually know which song it is, but it's a great song for testing these speakers. It has very nice vocals, natural instruments, so if there are any differences, they're easily to be heard. Both speakers are two-play tuned, the SONOS One and the SONOS Move. The SONOS Move is tuned automatically by the speaker using two-play, and the SONOS One has been true-play tuned by an iPhone, as with all SONOS speakers except for the SONOS Move, which can do it itself, obviously. So we'll be listening to our song, and I'll be giving my thoughts at the end of the video, and maybe even in between when I'm thinking that there's really a certain area where in one of both speakers excels or performs less than expected. Something else for the comparison, I've put in the SONOS One on this kind of standard. It's a very nice standard, and it allows me to set the SONOS One in the same direction as the SONOS Move, so they have an equal playing field. Obviously the SONOS Move has this little bass beneath, so it has a little bit of advantage, and by putting this on this little stand which I've gotten a while ago, it will actually move them into the same direction towards the recording device. So I hope you enjoy this comparison. I'll be tilting the camera toward the speaker which is playing, and I'll be giving my thoughts in between. So let's start off with a comparison, and we'll be starting off with, let's say, the SONOS Move at first. I'll be lowering the volume a little on the Move, so just to have a minimal difference in sound volume.
Trying to escape to the day I get a taste of my fate. If I
So yeah, that was a sound comparison between both speakers. I have to be honest, it really wasn't what I expected from these speakers. At first I really thought that the SONOS Move would definitely win, especially at the first listening session which I had before this video. But it surprised me that with the instruments and the vocals, the SONOS One really seemed to shine. It might be that the SONOS Move wasn't used by TruePlay or something correctly, but the sound quality from the SONOS One, especially in instrumentals and vocals, just seemed much clearer, much less boxy than the SONOS Move. So what this tells me is that yeah, the SONOS One might actually be a better speaker than the SONOS Move. And that's also really my impression. The SONOS Move really sounded quite a bit boxy when compared to the SONOS One, especially the bass, which seemed to be inside of the box literally, whereas the SONOS One just seemed very, very good all around. So yeah, those were my impressions of this sound test. In my opinion, the SONOS One is actually the winner. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. And goodbye. Thanks for watching.